We're going to take a cruise in a 1967 Mustang Coupe. The special thing about this one, it's a one owner. The lady we got it from got it for her 17th birthday. Her grandfather bought it for her right here in Los Angeles. It's been here its whole life. It underwent a complete restoration in 2004. It's only got a couple thousand miles on it since then. But it's 289 automatic. It's got a 3:10 to 1 ratio in the differential. It's a C4 automatic transmission. It's got the addition of vintage air conditioning, which is nice.
Upgraded stereo?
Yeah, upgraded stereo system with a CD. Power steering, power disc brakes, which is factory. We repainted it the original color, like a medium gold metallic. Still has the original trunk rack on it. They went ahead and re-chromed it when they restored it. Redid the gauges. It's got the center console, which is nice, with drink holders. Nice old Mustang. Hubcap car, you know, like I said, nice little lady. Not old lady, super old. From Pasadena. She's not from Pasadena either. But it is California, one owner car. We've got books, records, receipts from the restoration. Just a nice family cruiser. Take our little run down here to our picture spot.
Nice little cruiser.
Yeah, smooth, huh?
Yeah.
Clean inside too. I like the restoration.
Nice.
They did a good job. Here's our one owner 1967 Mustang Coupe. C code 289, 2-barrel. Air conditioning, power steering, disc brakes. Restored back in 2004. Lots of receipts, probably over 20 grand in restoration receipts. Repainted it in the original color, medium gold metallic. As you can see, the original black plates. Just super, super clean. Even the hubcaps, down to the original hubcaps. They redid the gauges, door panels, all the chrome trim, bumpers. Added that center console with the cup holder. They retrofitted the AC to a later model. It used to have the underdash, so they put the vintage air inserts in it. Real nice. Super, super clean. You know, some of the time the story is adds to the value of the car. A great story. Super nice lady. Got it for her 17th birthday. She was a professional musician and singer. She told us stories about taking this to Los Angeles with her guitar in the back and doing gigs, and really nice lady. Love this car, as you can tell, since 1967. It's not normal to find one in this condition local. Here's the power plant in the 67 Mustang. I'm not sure how many miles are on the rebuild. I don't think many. There's 2,000 miles on the restoration, so it's probably similar. But 289, 2-barrel, air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, new shocks. Just, you can hop in this car and drive it any place right now. That's the nice part about it. The cooling system is great, you know. Like I said, nice tunes, AC, ready to drive. We're going to go ahead and start this one up for you. It just also underwent a lot of service work because it had been sitting for a little while. So fuel lines, cleaned out the tank, brake lines, brake shoes, things like that, just to bring it back up. I have the receipts for that too. It was a couple $1,000s worth of repairs. Go ahead and walk around the back so you can hear it. Just all stock back here. Sounds nice. Even a little original luggage rack that came with it when it was new. Well, if you'd like to see this car in person, come out to California Cars. We'd love to show it to you. We're at 2158 Union Place in Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313 if you want to give us a call. You can speak to Rich or Gary, and either one of us would be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.